Something about me ambition, keep me on the money mission. Believe na me G's, me believe na the vision. And when me 30 mil me fi sit down, na just me ambition. Ambition, keep me on the money mission. Something about me ambition. Ambition, yo. Hustle every day, me no waste time.
Natural beauties, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So today is going to be a very fun video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to be showing you guys how I created this makeup look. I'm also going to show you guys how I switched out 3 different lip combinations, and this look is definitely tailored for the summer. I used, of course, products that are easy to find. I kind of was inspired by my shirt. Just look a bit. Before we get any further, do not forget to hit that subscribe button and also follow me on all my socials at NaturallyMsToya. All right, the links are going to be in the description bar below. Go ahead and click the link. Hair deets are also featured in the video. I did share how I got this twist out on my CurlsCurls Kinky Curly unit, the crystal unit. I already did the initial review. I'm gonna leave that link up top in the iCards and also in the description bar for you guys if you want to go ahead and check it out. Stay tuned for this here tutorial. Alright guys, and I'm looking like Felicia right now, but just don't pay attention to that, okay? All right, so it's Friday. Y'all already know. If you guys hear a little banging sound, that's one of my neighbors playing ball or some shit. But okay, so today I'm gonna be creating a summer face, as I told you guys. For priming, I'm going to be using the Master Prime from this Maybelline. Don't need a lot because I don't want a lot of layers. And I'm just going to apply that into the skin. So I'm gonna be doing my brows. So to conceal, I'm gonna be using this Cool Tan. I'm using the Secret Cover in number 5 all over my lid, I guess, because it is, you know, brighter than my skin tone or my actual skin tone for this, you know, occasion. I don't even know where my skin tone be right now, guys. Honestly, I just work with what works, and if it works, then I eat that. You understand? I don't get pimples often, but when I do, they are very disrespectful. So we're just gonna get rid of that as well. None of my brushes are clean right now, don't judge me. I'm gonna take a buffing brush and just kind of press that in, kind of smooth it out a little bit so that it looks a little, you know, not there. Today I'm going into my Saharan 2 by Juvia's, and I think it's going to be the only palette that I use today. I'm gonna use Taza and Fez. I'm gonna alternate between these 3 colors. I'm going for more of like a bronzy type of vibe instead of like gold like I normally do. More like a bronzy, I don't know, that just be my jam. I don't know that already. So I'm dipping into Taza, which is that like a brown, like a, yeah, and I'm just washing it here. And if it gets all over your lid, no big deal. This is supposed to be an effortless type of vibe and not something that we think that much about. So what the hell, walk it over there so too, you understand? And then just feather it out lightly. It's hot girl summer. We about to pop our shit, okay? Gonna dark up the outer part of the eye with the darker color, which is Fizz. And I'm pressing it into my outer V and blending it into the last parts of the crease. Now I'm gonna go in with my finger into Hadia, into a little bit of that gorgeous color, and I'm just washing it over my crease like this. I don't want too much, that's all I want. Just like that, you guys can see the eyes are coming together. I'm gonna be using black eyeshadow onto an angled brush to do my waterline and my upper lash line. And you can use an eyeliner if you wish. Today I'm just using this little shorty mascara from LA Colors. Put a little bit on my lashes. I kind of like this though, to be honest. Now, because we want the foundation to last a little bit longer, I'm obviously going to be putting on a powder first as a base. Not too much, just enough to kind of hold the makeup on, you know. Either that or use Milk of Magnesia as your primer. But this trick always works for me, especially at summertime. And the powder that I'm putting on is the Black Opal Deluxe powder, my ultimate fave. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation. This is in the shade 150. I honestly don't even know if I'm this shade anymore. It is a bit dark, I think. But we're going to figure it out. So I'm going to be using some of this Black Up Cosmetics contouring stick. I'm going to be using the lighter side to highlight. I've had this product for a while and I do like the results. So I'm just gonna go with it. With the same brush. I'm gonna go back into the same powder, the medium in the Black Opal, and I'm gonna go in with a wedge because I want more like a compressed type of set. Pressing it in, tapping off the excess and pushing that up under the eye. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of reverse contouring as well before I put my contour on. Just set right under my cheekbones. Flipping it over to contour on the reverse side with the contouring section of the stick. With not a lot of pressure, just cause I'm about to slap something on it to kind of set that contour anyway. So I don't want it to be too set beforehand. I'm just gonna dust away the excess powder. Going into the contour with that same little brush, and I want to go into the Saharan 2, and I'm going into Fez, and I'm deepening this contour. Kind of slight circular motions to kind of blend it in. For blush, I'm going into Zora, which is like a plum. I'm gonna highlight using the same Hadia. Ooh, or should I use Aziza? Ooh, I'm using Aziza. I'm using this, the white gold, to highlight. Hey, baby. Don't worry, guys. We're not about to be out here looking crazy. I just need to place it and then go back in and blend it. we have to also put that under the brow bone area. Alright guys, so the only thing left for me to do is apply my lashes, and summer lashes are definitely going to be my all-time favorite lashes. These right here. And this is why I love these. They are definitely my favorite because they are very subtle. Alright, so now that our face is done, I'm going to take the hair down before we get into the lip options. Now I am going to show you guys all the products that I used, but let me just do this twist out first. Let me just take them down. They are still very wet because I literally did this before I showered to make this video. But y'all know the definition is about to be crazy. And if you have not seen my last wig review, then go ahead and check that out because this is the wig from that video from CurlsCurls. I'll have the info to the video and the info to the discount code and stuff like that in the description bar for you guys. But yeah. Alright, so for my hair, I went ahead and used the Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Flaxseed Recipe Don't Shrink Elongating Gel. That name that long, I'm sorry. But this is what I used for my curls. And I also used the Lotta Body Coconut and Shea Oil Moisturize Me Curl and Style Milk. So these two things. And I just wet the hair and put these two things in it and comb it through and twisted it up. And that was my twist out. Alright, so let's get into the lips, guys. So today for this look, I'm going to be giving you guys 3 lip combinations that are perfect for summer and that kind of bring out the little hot girl vibe there. Depending on the occasion that you choose, whether it's something more upscale or something a little bit more, you know, like reserved, or whether it's out there or it's daytime or it's nighttime, I'm going to give you guys 3 options that I absolutely love. So the first one is a brown lip liner with Matte Me. Alright, so it's like a nude pink lip cream, and of course a gloss to top it. This is the only glossy option that I'll be doing. Everything else is going to be matte. It tends to be up my alley, more so with stuff that I normally do. Like this is something I'd consider very normal compared to the other lip options that I have. I'm going over that with the NYX gloss, the NYX Butter Gloss in Tiramisu. Alright, so the next lip option is more of a red. It's the Sasha Intense Matte Lip Velvet. Look at that freaking color, bro. If y'all know me, y'all know I don't do red lips without an outline. I just feel like it looks really weird, but this is giving me Selena vibes. I'm just going to line it a little bit to feel a bit more comfortable with the color. Alright guys, so I tried taking off the red lip, it wouldn't work, but I'm gonna show you guys my third option anyway. It's the same brand, Sasha Intense Matte Lip Velvet. I used just now, the red one was called Life of the Party. It was more of like a plum. Yeah. This is also still giving me Selena vibes. No lie, no cap. Yeah, no lie. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Go ahead, thumbs up this video as well for more content like this. Drop me a comment and let me know what your favorite lip look was. I'll see you guys in my next video, and until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye. Mwah.